tell you it's going to be the hottest accessory and attachment for your automatic and for rifle next year. The zombie. Yeah, the zombie cheese. Seriously, you know why? Because yesterday, USA Today published a video graphic about automatic rifle and possible attachment to the chainsaw. There is one, like,
I wasn't the shuttle.
it's a fucking joke thing. And all of a sudden everyone's like, what? Chainsaw? And then they started finding out that there is actually an attachment to chainsaw. And now I already had two people asking when they were going to bring up it. There's some version.
No, I think you can actually make a laptop chainsaw. It doesn't even necessarily need to work. All you need to do is just press the button, and then there's a sound from top, like a chainsaw.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
But the fact that what? Chainsaw?
Yeah. Because there are the mutant guys. The zombie.
Hi guys, welcome to Popular Airsoft, and today we are here in Sittard in the Netherlands, and today we are going to have a look at Unit 13. It's an indoor CQB site, and it's probably the best CQB site in Europe and probably one of the best in the world. So come with me and we're gonna have a look inside. Okay guys, so come with me and we're gonna have a look inside. Alright, so the first thing you'll see is this cafe. So it's a complete food court where they have their own kitchen. As you can see, completely decked out with a mobile kitchen. And you also here you can see the Unit 13 cafe sign. So cool. And then over this way we have the gear shop. So as you can see, it's quite complete, well stocked with all the gears you need, from helmets, masks, torches, and aiming devices.
Meta op ook de barbecue, want daar had hij ook nog bericht op gegeven dat
There you go.
was. Hij had het,
So it's a one-stop shop. You'll have everything. Okay, so the shop in the site actually stocks quite a lot of the popular airsoft brands such as ICS, GNG, ASG, and Valken. And you can see here you have the Valken tactical goggles. They also stock the Valken BBs, and also now Valken has these magazine that comes in a 5-pack in a box. Okay, so this is the top floor of the facility. Okay, so in here we have the observation post. So if we go through here, so as you can see, family members or friends who are not playing can actually watch as the game happens. So they have an eagle view of the whole facility, of the whole game facility. Alright, so okay, and here behind me is a fully stocked up shop where you can buy all your rifts, all your AEG needs, pistols, and they even sell real firearms in here. So they're licensed to sell from airsoft to air guns to real firearms. Okay guys, so now come with me and we're gonna have a look at the inside of the game facility. So ambiance is everything. So just have a look at this. You actually have a feel of how amazing this place is. So through these doors is the main game area. So players are actually in there playing right now at the moment, so we can't go in there. But through this door is their safe zone. So come follow me. So the safe zone is complete. You have refreshments. So this is their These are their hired guns. So there's those stocked up as well, BBs, gas, you have refreshments, and this massive area for where you can set up your guns and everything. And the clever thing as well that I saw in here today is this bit here. This is the BB loading area. So there's no mess. Everybody will just load their magazines in here, and all the excess BBs will just go in and through that chute, and no mess. So round through this area, this is the staging area. Art throws on. So you have shooting ranges, and down this way you have the two teams staging area. So if we go through here, so it's quite dark at the moment because there's nothing happening, but if you can see that big screen in there, so that's where the briefing goes. It's a video of the briefing. They will explain the games and everything through that. And then once they go inside, another briefing from the marshal will be held, and just to make things all clarified and everything. Alright, so there you go guys, that's Unit 13 here in Sittard in the Netherlands for you. Come and visit the site, and I guarantee you, you will have the best Airsoft CQB experience ever. So, hasta la vista baby, and I'll see you inside.